How do you create a payment plan for your SamCart product?
Yes, absolutely. So a payment plan, let's just define the term so we make sure everybody knows exactly what we're talking about here, right? I have a page for let's say it's an online course or something, right? And this is $200. So a payment plan would be, how can I offer someone the option right here to choose between paying $200 or paying, say, two payments of $100 or something like that, right? And give people that option. SamCart makes it crazy, crazy easy. And it's exactly 2 steps, okay? The first thing you do is come back to your SamCart dashboard, click on products, and we have to make the product that bills someone the 2 payment plan, right? And so I'll come over here and click on new product, and I'm just going to call this guitar for beginners payment plan. What should we do here? Let's make it, I'm going to use this drop down and choose a limited subscription. Okay. By definition, a payment plan is a limited subscription is a payment plan. It's a set number of payments. It doesn't go on forever. Right. So I'll use this drop down, click limited subscription. The price, I'm going to make it, well, let's make it $100 even. Right. So $100. And then how many times do I want to charge this customer? I'm going to choose 2, right? 2 payments of $100, and that's it. And then I decide, how often does this happen? Should it happen every week? Should it happen every year, right? I'm going to choose monthly. Monthly is just a good kind of nice default period. And then I'll go ahead and click create product. So now this product is made. So now I have to go back to my original product, right? Not the payment plan. So I'll click on products one more time. I will start searching for guitar for beginners. I know it's actually right here. So I'll just open up this product. And then all I have to do is add my new payment plan as an option. So I'll come to the payments tab, right? And here it is right here, additional payment options, okay? And all I'm gonna do is just go ahead, this is a really long list. So I'm gonna use Control F, and I'm just gonna search for guitar for beginners. There we go, okay. So guitar for beginners payment plan. I will click add. And remember, you could add multiple of these things. So if you have something that's really expensive and you wanted to break it into 2 payments and 4 payments and 50 payments, right? You could add all of those onto one very simple page and let your customers choose between them. But I will save my changes, right? I will go ahead and preview this page, open it up in a new tab. And now down here at the bottom, someone scrolls down, right? And they have this awesome, really, really nice checkbox, right? Where they can choose how they want to buy your course. I want to pay in full, or I want to have a payment plan of 2 payments of $100. And this is something that can massively increase your conversions. Anybody that sells something over $100 should have a payment plan in place. You should be testing it out, because you could be getting 2 or 3 times as many customers in the door, right? If you give them an option to break up those payments.
Sweet. So let me make sure I got it right. So we, 1, create our original product, and then 2, we create a payment plan product that has, say, a limited subscription or recurring subscription. And then going back to our original product, we add that payment plan product into the backend settings. So
Exactly.
I got that right?
As a payment option. Yeah. So you take it back there, go to the payments tab, add it in, right? And now your customers will get to choose between these 2 different options, right? And you get more customers in the door.